Tashidele everyone. Greetings from DorjeShugden.com on this most auspicious Dorje Shugden Day. This date was chosen over 2 years ago by His Holiness the 101st Ganden Triso Rinpoche Jetsun Lungrik Namgyel. This was also the last time we all met each other in Kathmandu. Since the meeting, it would be an understatement to say that times have been challenging. First, we experienced the great loss of 2 lamas of our lineage, His Eminence Drupwang Gangchen Rinpoche and His Eminence Kyabje Tem Rinpoche. We also experienced the loss of some of our most erudite scholars, including Venerable Geshe Duden Trinlela. And now, we are also unable to get together due to the ongoing global health crisis. So at this time, when the current situation forces us to stay apart, unity and harmony as Dharma brothers and sisters is more important than ever. On behalf of DorjeShugden.com, and with respect to all who are watching, it is important that we work together. Work together not just to preserve the teachings, knowledge, and practices of the previous generation, but also to take care of them physically and to help them, and to provide a platform and resources for them to spread the precious teachings of Je Songapa and the protection and blessings of our Dharma protector, Dorje Shugden. What is happening in the world today is a powerful reminder of how precarious and fragile our lives are. Anything can disturb our situation at any time. And while we can work tirelessly to alleviate physical suffering, we all know that in the end, it is a pure lineage of Je Songapa that is the ultimate solution to get ourselves out of this cyclic rebirth in samsara that causes great suffering. And our great protector, Dorje Shugden, will remove obstacles and pave the way for us to achieve this. We extend our best wishes and prayers to all the esteemed speakers and participants for a successful Dorje Shugden Day gathering. We thank you for your continued hard work and efforts in keeping the lineage alive and potent with blessings in whatever way you see fit. And from all of us at DorjeShugden.com, Gyalchen Dorje Shugden Dujinla Tashi Delek Jung.